hotter and cold milkshakes colder for much longer than ordinary glass or plastic bottles. The vacuum flask, also known as a thermos, was invented in 1892 by Sir James Dewar, a Scottish physicist and chemist. But what about transportation and storage of medical, pharmaceuticals, fresh and frozen food, logistics, fresh food at catering events, agriculture products, and food delivery services? Introducing Vacuum Insulated Bag-or-Box (VIBB), which is fundamentally an application of Flexible Vacuum Insulation Panel (VIP), the next generation vacuum insulation solution for temperature sensitive transport and storage in medical, food agriculture, and chemical logistics and services. All dimensions, sizes, and shapes are customizable to your requirement. However, standard dimensions and sizes are uh, medical box, deep cold box, rolling card cover, and fresh bag. It is engineered to maintain the internal temperature, either cold or hot, of the contained materials without the need for ice, refrigeration, or electricity for extended period of time. Now, recognizing the diverse range of applications, we have developed and differentiated the VIBB into four distinct types such as medical box, deep cold box, rolling card cover, and fresh bag. So I would like to show you the first, the medical box. So this is the sample product of the medical box, where we can place a range of medical and pharmaceutical products to maintain its temperature for a longer period of time. Now, this medical box is designed with plastic protective film on the outer surface, fumed silica VIP with polyurethane insulation with hollow board protective box for outside to cater to a range of medical storage and transportation needs. The performance of the medical box is that at ambient temperatures of plus 25 degrees Celsius, the internal temperature was maintained between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius within 6.13 days. By considering the contents which were pre-chilled to 2 degrees Celsius. The VIBB medical box is available in various sizes, capacities, and weight to meet different needs, and especially within the pharmaceutical industry. It is designed to maintain the required temperature for medications, vaccines, biological products, and specialized laboratory reagents or chemicals. Now I would like to show you deep cold box. This deep cold box, crafted from vacuum insulated bag or box VIBB materials, is available in both foldable and non-foldable variants. This deep cold box is designed with polyurethane VIP, which is about 5 times more efficient in terms of thermal insulation compared to EPS or XPS panels. The performance of deep cold box is that at ambient temperature of plus 30 degrees Celsius, the internal temperature was maintained between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius within 3 days by considering the contents which were pre-chilled to 2 degrees Celsius. VIBB deep cold box is available in various sizes, capacities, and weights to accommodate different requirements and has a number of applications such as in fresh and frozen food logistics, food distributors and retailers, for delivery of frozen products like ice cream, seafood, and prepared meals to retail locations, catering services, and e-commerce online businesses to transport ingredients and prepared dishes to event locations, farmers and fisheries for transporting perishable products and seafood to market or processing facilities. This is the VIBB variant rolling cart cover, which is a versatile, large-size vacuum insulation solution designed for dual-purpose task of maintaining both cold and warm temperature during the transportation of fresh and frozen foods. The performance of a rolling cart cover is that at ambient temperature of plus 35 degrees Celsius, the internal temperature was maintained below 10 degrees Celsius within 15 hours by considering the contents which were pre-chilled to 2 degrees Celsius. Due to its larger size, rolling cart cover is suitable for a variety of applications such as in catering and event management to transport hot and cold dishes to event venues, maintaining the desired temperatures until serving, agriculture product transport, a mobile storage unit for farmers and grocers, preserving the freshness of the fruits, vegetables, and other perishable during transportation from farm to market or distribution centers. Emergency and disaster relief in situations requiring rapid deployment of food, water, or medical supplies to affected areas at appropriate temperatures. The Fresh Bag, a pioneering addition to the vacuum-insulated bag or box. So this is a flex bag tailored for modern on-the-go lifestyles and demanding food logistics. The performance of fresh bag is that at ambient temperature of plus 35 degrees Celsius, the internal temperature was maintained below 10 degrees Celsius within 5 hours and within 6.5 hours with refrigerant by considering the food was pre-chilled to 2 degrees Celsius. VIBB fresh bags come in various sizes, capacities, and weights to suit different needs. They are perfect for food delivery services, whether it's drivers, couriers, or even autonomous delivery robots, ensuring meals arrive fresh and warm. They are also ideal for outdoor picnics on sunny days or for keeping your groceries fresh after a gym session, for example. And perhaps most satisfyingly, they let you enjoy warm food after hiking all the way to the top of the mountain. For more details about the vacuum insulated bag or box, including product codes, designs, sizes, and FAQs, visit www.sanulondon.com or download the full product catalog by scanning this QR code with your mobile phone. If you want the best, this is the best. We will make you a realistic, competitive offer that you would be inclined to consider it. We have an excellent and dedicated team, and we invite you to get in touch with our customer service team for further information, tailored price quotations, or to discuss your specific project requirements. You can explore our full range of vacuum insulation energy products, review details of the specification of each product, purchasing process, and browse our FAQs by visiting our website www.sanulondon.com. If you'd prefer a direct conversation, you are most welcome to contact me personally by email or by phone so we can discuss how our disruptive innovations can contribute to the success of your project. Let's work together to take a meaningful step forward in the evolution of energy savings by putting our vacuum insulation innovative solutions into action where impact truly begins. Thank you.